Workplace stress can be caused by a number of factors. One, the amount of workload that a member of staff is subjected to. Secondly, the working environment itself can either be a suitable one or a challenging one, or other societal and social problems that may face that particular staff.
I would say it's physical or mental or emotional strain, mainly caused by pressure.
When you work for long hours, you might get tired without taking breaks, and it can lead to even burnouts. Absolutely. Workplace stress, if not taken care of, can lead to a breakdown at the workplace.
Especially panic attacks, anxiety. At that time you want to meet your deadlines and everything is falling apart. Yes, it can lead to a mental breakdown.
Some staff might be unable to seek support from either colleagues, family, or friends, and therefore this is likely to cause burnout of that particular staff.
Considering the fact that we spend majority of our time in the workplace, 5 days a week, 8 hours a day, so the consistent exposure to these triggers might eventually lead to a mental health breakdown.
Workplaces to invest in employee assistance programs where employees are able to access confidential counseling services.
For instance, with preventing, we could have organizational structures that give flexible working hours, for example, creating mechanisms for reporting abuse in the workplace that may be a consistent trigger leading to mental health breakdowns. And I think for promotion, there could be education around mental health to reduce the stigma associated with mental health.
Mainstreaming mental health issues in the policies, and also the other thing is just having frequent and scheduled training on how to cope with the stress.
Frequent debriefing sessions, and also like a timeout when someone feels like having a burnout or they need to breathe, they can take 10 or 5 minutes to just breathe.
We can learn new skills every day and every time whenever we are faced with any situation or challenge.
Try as much as possible to take 2 to 3 hour walk. It will be 10 to 15 kilometers. So I think when you take a walk, it assists you to decompress a bit.
Debriefing sessions by experts such as counseling, psychologists.
I love singing. Jesus loves me, this I know. Gets to me all the time.
I'm pretty much a fun person, so when I get a lot of stress, then I release it through some fun activities like physical training. The other thing is just getting some good rest.
Spending time with my family, my friends. I also like to dedicate time to my hobbies.
We meditate, and then there are so many forms of meditating. We can go for guidance. For those who are Christians, we can pray. For Muslims, we can also seek guidance from God, and we can also involve ourselves in other exercises like yoga. It really helps us to really just relax our muscles and be able to breathe out and be able to just be free for yourself.